Hello guys, hope you doing well. In today's video, I will explain you that how you can get Manus free trial, okay, and how you can get 1800 credits for free on Manus app, okay. So let's start. First of all, you need to log in your Manus account, okay. Log in with your Google account. I have logged in with my Google account, okay. So simply you can log in with your Google account, and after that you need to connect VPN, okay. You can see this is Proton VPN and I have connected to Portugal, okay. Connect your VPN to Portugal and then simply you can see here start free trial. Just click on it. It's opening, okay. Some internet issues I'm facing. Yeah, it's opening right now. So let's open this, okay. And we need to add some payment details here, okay. So select USD here, okay, and then we will generate cards. Use this bin for card generation, okay. We will need 100 cards, okay. Simply copy it, okay, and come team CSV. Internet getting slow because I'm connected to VPN, so that's why. It has been opened now, okay. So simply click on live CC checker. And paste copy card. Okay, we can see here cards. Simply copy it. You can see we have to pay 00 amount. So simply paste here the card we have copied, that 631 485. Joseph. Simply type any name, okay. And after that no, we will pay with card, okay. So simply click on. Okay, we need to enter email here, okay. And now start free trial. This is trial for 1 month, okay. No problem. Click again and reload it. Yeah, it has been done, okay. You can see here. Now we have been redirected to Manus